So I came out this morning to check my tromboncino squash, and this is it. And this is what I see growing on it. Now, this is my first time growing the squash, but it's looking really, really cool. It's getting flowers, and it's doing really good. But tomorrow I'm gonna give it some super juice and 511. That's what I'm gonna give it. And I'm gonna move those pots out of there. They got enough. But they're doing really, really good. They're growing beautifully, and I'm gonna give them a little boost. They look a little limey, but no worries. That 511 gonna do it, baby. She gonna do it. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. But as you can see here today, I am dropping seeds. More seeds. Yeah. But listen, I stopped by because I wanted to share this message to some. If you are new to gardening, or maybe this is your first year or second year, I see and you see in this gardening community, so many of us are dropping so many seeds. But if you are new to gardening, baby, take your time. Take your time. Learn your climate. Learn growing in your garden. Just because someone can grow something in their garden, it does not mean you can grow it in yours. Many times I see new gardeners, they just overwhelm themselves with growing everything they see other gardeners are growing. Now listen, I'm not telling you what to do. Because if you want to drop all the seeds that you could buy, you know, that's your thing. I am saying if you want to be successful, getting a seed to germinate really is only the beginning. But will that plant be there for the harvest? Because seriously, in the end, that's the purpose. Well, let me say, that's my purpose. I want that plant there for the harvest. So, take your time, baby. Take your time. Don't try to grow everything, right? Learn about the plants that you are growing. Learn about your climate, your zone, and then your own garden. It is important. Think of that everyday food. Like when you go to the grocery store and you go to the produce department, what vegetables do you pick up? Do you pick up carrots? Do you pick up green onions? Maybe celery? Do you pick up parsley? Those are the plants that should interest you the most. Yes, and now is the season to drop peppers. If you love peppers, drop some peppers. But listen, dropping every variety of peppers Baker Creek make, you know, if you knew, do you know how to care for them? So more and more of my hardneck elephant garlic is making their scapes. So I'm keeping my eyes on them this year because I've learned some things about them. When they make their first curl, I will be harvesting them. Because when they make their curl, they're still nice and soft, well, pliable. But when they begin to grow straight again, that part of the scape is hard and woody, and it's not good to eat. So I'm going to get less of the scape by getting it when it is nice and edible, and not wait till it gets so long until it is not edible. So during the first curl, that's when I will harvest my scapes on my hardnecks. That's what I'm doing, y'all. These are my salvias, and look at them, y'all. They are growing so beautifully. Now, they're not open yet when you see them like this. I'll show you some that's open, but they're closed right now. These are. I'll show you an open one. Check it out. This salvia is opening. Yeah. As you can see, her flowers just fan out. They're beautiful. Yeah, they're growing really tall. They all will be open like this in a little while. So today I received a text from Jody, and at the top of this text she said it was a grocery list. The grocery list consists of carrots, parsley, bay leaves, and green onions. Yeah. She said that she could go to the store for these things. She said, but why? My mama is growing them in her garden. So she also says she want to share them with her neighbor, who's always asking her for some of her green onions because she can smell her food cooking. So today, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill Jody's grocery list. Y'all ready? This is my Baylor tree. So the first thing she wanted on that grocery list was bay leaves. So I'm gonna harvest her about 40 leaves of bay leaves, okay? So when I'm done, I'll be back. So the next ingredient Jody had on her list were parsley. She needed parsley. So let me harvest some of this parsley. Hopefully I don't get carrot tops because y'all, look at that. They got carrots in here, baby. But, you know, carrots is on her list. Carrots. So let's just harvest this one and see what it look like. Let go, mama. Let go, mama. Let go. Oh, that's a nice carrot. That's a nice carrot. So, wow. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. She gonna love it. So let's get some parsley. All right, family. So I'm gonna harvest some carrots here, and I'm gonna go to another spot where I have carrots. So let's see if we can get some carrots out of here for Jody and her crew down the street. Oh yeah. Wait, y'all didn't see that. Here they are. That's awesome. Baby, they will eat. You heard me? Yeah, let's get this one. Oh, The ones in the back is not that big, but we're not gonna get them back there. No, y'all fooling me now. You're fooling me now. Let's try these up front. Let's see what they look like. I did a lot of thinning of these carrots, so because I know how, some people, it broke. Some people, they gotta have it big, child. I don't, all it have to be for me is carrot. But that look good. That look good. So, let's see. Oh, we're gonna do one more over here, and then we're gonna go to another spot. All right. Oh, a little chunky. All right, so that's that from here. We're gonna leave that here, and I'm gonna go to another spot. Let's try this one. Let's see. That's good. That's carrot. And so, the last ingredient on her list was green onions. Now, listen, I just harvested her some of these green onions. She want more, so let's harvest some of these green onions. Let go. All right, so I've harvested everything, and now I'm cleaning, and I'm in here chopping again. I'm chopping again. So when I'm finished everything, cleaning and putting everything where it's supposed to be, I'm gonna come back and share with you all what Jody grocery list looked like. All right? All right, family. All right, so this is Jody grocery list. I got her carrots. I cut her some green onions. She have parsley, and she have bay leaves in there. Yeah, she got bay leaves in there. There it is. It's all done. So I came out just to watch the sunset, and I didn't have my hummingbird feeder up. There was a hummingbird that came and just hovered in my face, almost saying to me, "Where is my food?" So I got it. I got it together, baby. Yes, I did. So it is at the end of the day, and I'm drinking some mullein and mint tea. This is a cup that my niece Cheryl from Back to Our Roots, she sent me this cup, and I love it. And I'm just enjoying the sunset. Yeah, you want to see? This is it. Thanking God for every minute of this day. Amen. Yeah.